little help from my dad making a drawing that is much easier for the craftsman to understand. It's not ringing yet. Is this on silent? No, it's not on silent mode.
This is Squirrel.
Okay, I'm trying to reach.
When you reach, please try to deliver.
Wow, that's terrible. Oh no. He's not answering him. So since the craftsman wasn't answering the phone, I just decided to make a list of things that we can discuss for a scheduled meeting. Check up. Stuff are the shopping for materials. So how will we do that?
Maybe you just send and I will buy it. Is it okay?
It was time to bring in the translator.
Oo, sige. Para yung mga pwede mong bilhin sa hardware, bilhin mo na. Tapos papadala namin yung money.
What color do you like? Is it flint or marble?
Marble. Is it still possible to have the upholstered headboard?
Well, that's the problem. I hope I can find the marble also for the headboard.
Okay, because if we can't upholster a headboard, it's okay that we'll just laminate.
But I can see there's also,
Oh, this
I
one?
find it- okay.
Yon.
Can you make the legs of only the pull-out table? Can you make the legs gold?
Gold?
What? I love gold.
Tapos meron siyang
Oh, yes.
rollers sa dulo. Yon.
But can you use like shiny gold paint? Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay, now we are gonna be calling our carpenter to see what's happening, because since we already gave him the funds. But anyway, we're supposed to follow up if he was able to buy the wood, since we really need it for the bed and needs to be made ASAP. So we gotta keep on calling. So expectation is that one day it just takes one day to make your bed, just like in those other, like the interior design masters, they were able to design one whole room. And also thank you to Mom. We were able to contact Wilkin Depot, and these are some of their laminates available. Yeah, these are the pastel colors that they have. They only have a few. It's not really my type, but okay. They don't have like this baby pink though. I've been looking for a lavender or baby pink. Okay, let's ask if he has. Do you have lavender or that's Annie. She's just sleeping. So this is reality, okay? Not everything's cupcakes and rainbows, but there are cute dogs. These are the colors. The colors that we have at the moment. Maybe I'll get white, or what's this? This mint green and light yellow. I'm possibly changing my whole color scheme, because for me the marble was so essential, and I don't really care even if it'll look like a grave, but it'll take 3 days to order and then another 3 to 4 days to have it delivered to the store, and then we have to pick it up, and it's gonna be such a hassle. Oh, they have wood design. It'll match my room. That's the problem. I don't really love this whole wood thing. I'm not a wood type of person. I think I'm gonna go with this glossy plain white. I think I'm gonna go with white because it's much cheaper, not much problems when it comes to design, because if I have a new room, I won't have to worry about it because it's white, and white matches any color. So I don't think I want to go with something big and bold this time, because it's a bed and we're gonna buy a really huge sheet of laminate, and if it all goes wrong, if the colors look so bad together, I'll have to live with that for not the rest of my life, but to make it dramatic, for the rest of my life. Minus the drama. Let's just go with white. Or beige. No, beige looks bad. Let's just go with glossy white. Hopefully, God, I pray that I'll be able to have extra money to buy a new bed sheet. Or if you guys are interested in donating, you guys can donate. Just kidding. If you're a brand watching me, Pottery Barn, I don't know, whatever bed sheet brand you are, if you're watching, please sponsor me. I'll get 2 white plain, okay, let's emphasize it's plain, it's plain glossy, oh wait, comma, plain, comma, glossy, comma, white laminate. It's so much easier to misspell a lot of things with a tiny phone. No offense to those small phone users, owners. This is all part of the OA drama of a reality TV show. What's ironic though is that it's called a reality TV show, but it's not even real. It's not real life. Like this drama, this isn't real life. And the real me, I am not this talkative. Wink. Just kidding. For those who know me really well, I can talk all day. This is the real me. Most of you people see the shy me, like in person. That is me trying to be civil and quiet. Also, okay, same, colored, glossy, edging. Okay, disclaimer, I'm not a mini phonist. And by the way, if you're an authority in Merriam-Webster's dictionary or thesaurus, please make this a word, I beg you.
I-measure lang width ng foam niya to make sure.
Measuring the width.
Kasi, width, Maria, width, that's height. Width.
Width.
Yeah, width.
Sorry. Then we went to Wilkin Depot to pick up the laminate and the other materials that we reserved. What do I do? Merry Christmas, everybody! Some booking. Why is the van so slow?
Still searching.
The van sells the